What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Here's another edition, I guess. Well, my landlord said, "Hey, the next door neighbors left." He said, "Hey, you want this car?" I said, "Yeah, thank you, I appreciate it." So yeah, we're doing a full teardown, poured out Mazda Miata, 1990. The nicest thing about it is it had this little jewel in it, this Michimoto dual radiator fans, Michimoto this. So yeah. And you know the money's gonna go to the Honda, so to be continued. I got a lot of work ahead of me. Alright, I think we're about to call it a night here. Shout out to the Miata guys. This was a fucking nightmare to get it this far. A lot of 12 millimeters. But yeah, it's getting there. I'm pretty wore out, so we're gonna call that a night. So yeah. Stay tuned. Tomorrow, hopefully we'll have this thing gutted out of here, cut up and all that. Alright, here we are 2 days later approximately. I got the head pulled. Head looks like it's in good condition. And we got all the interior gutted. I know the Mazda Miata guys are screaming, going, "No! No! Tear a perfectly good fucking car up." Well, I gotta do what I gotta do. So, yeah. We getting there. But I did get everything separated without tearing everything up, try to make a resell on all this shit. So, I got people coming to pick up some of these AC parts. I got the rear top, people wanting all. So, yeah, it's getting there. Alright, here we are. We pretty much got the front end cut back, rack and pinion all removed. This is ready to just almost grab and pull on out of there. We got our trans tunnel cut out, so it'll make it easier access for me to unbolt this shit. And I gotta get this gas tank out, and directly under it's the fucking rear end. I don't know why they've designed this, but I'm gonna drill out all these little spot welds, or whatever the hell you call those little things. You know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna drill those out. Hopefully I can pull that whole thing up and get that gas tank out of there. But yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's almost all scrap. Only thing left I want is the rear end. The drive shaft, transmission, and the short block. So yeah. It's going all right, I guess. We getting there. Right, here's where we're pretty much are. We pretty much quartering this thing. So yeah. Alright, we're down to the frame. Almost there. Well, here's what we got left, guys. So, mission accomplished. Besides, I'm going to pull this block off and separate the transmission, put it on my motor stand. So, yeah. Well, there we have it, guys. One Miata. Rest in pieces, old girl. All I got left to do is just put the block on the stand. Get my scrap tires. Get my oil cleaned up. But that's going to conclude that saga journey. What a nightmare. What a nightmare. But yeah. If anybody needs parts, let me know. They're going quick. I already sold the alternator and gauge cluster. So yeah. Alright. See you on the next one.